friends, this is Harpreet and welcome to my channel Harry Style. Monsoon is here and we all are super excited, but it brings a lot of oiliness and stickiness to our face which ruin our makeup. This happens to me a lot because I have a combination skin and my T-zone becomes so oily during monsoon. Do you also face this challenge? Let me know in the comment section below. So here I am with quick and easy everyday makeup look which you can wear during monsoon and it will save you from greasy face. So let's begin. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so because it means a lot to me. Let's start. I have washed my face and applied moisturizer, and now I'm applying L'Oreal Base Magique Transforming Smooth Primer. I am taking little bit of it and applying it on my T-zone where my skin tend to get oily soon. It will keep my T-zone matte for longer time. Then I'm applying Lotus Herbal's UV Screen Matte Gel in SPF 50. Sunscreen is must and you should apply it daily. No matter sun is out or not, UV rays which damage our skin are still there. So sunscreen protects us from those rays. Next I'm applying Benetint by Benefit Cosmetics. I'm just applying 3 dots on both my cheekbones and blending it with my fingers. It gives a natural flush of color, seems like you naturally have blushed cheeks. Then I'm applying Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact all over my face, ears and neck. Compact will keep my skin matte for a longer period of time. Then I'm applying Plum Nature Studio Kajal on my lower and upper lash line. I do not overboard my eyes with kajal, especially during monsoon. No matter if the kajal is waterproof or smudge proof, it will smudge in the rainy season. Then I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara which is waterproof and applying it on my upper and lower lashes. Then last but not the least, I use either tinted lip balm or Benetint or any lipstick from my vanity. Today I'm using MUA lipstick in shade 16 Nectar. And here you go, we are ready. I wear this look every day to office and it's very quick and easy which literally take 5 to 7 minutes to get ready. I hope you like this video, so please click on the thumbs up button and also share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and also you can connect with me on my social media, Instagram and Facebook. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye and happy monsoon.